back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I came up with this makeup look, this eyeshadow look using the Nars Unrated Summer Palette. But first off, we're going to do the unboxing and swatches before I do this demo. So here we go. I take this shade right here, focusing on the inner, and then bring it all the way to the brow bone right here. And I'm taking the Sonia G Jumbo Blender, and I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just going to use this as my transition shade. Okay, the next shade I typically take is this one right here. Oh, and this is the Sonia G Soft Shader Brush, by the way. And I just apply it right here where the socket is. And I just focus the color there first, and then go back with the other brush to blend it. Going back with the Jumbo Blender. I'm gonna use this one right here on the bottom. I'm gonna apply it right here. And then I'm gonna take this two together for the lower lash line. Finally, I'm gonna take this darkest brown right here, and I'm just gonna focus that one on the outer corner. I'm gonna go back to the soft shader and dip into this one again. I'm just gonna darken out this part. It's time to play with the shimmers. First, I would take this shade right here, this darker pink. This is the Sonia G Builder 3 brush. Wow. Okay. And then now I flip the brush over, and then I take this lighter pink color here. And then I take this Sonia G flat definer brush, and I'm gonna take the same inner corner highlight here. I'm gonna apply it very in the inner corner. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this brush is amazing. It just packs a punch. Look at that. And then after that, I kind of bring it into the other parts of my eyelid. Yeah, make sure I get it in the corner right here. Love that. Look at this one compared to that one. Wow. I think I'm gonna go back to the Shikuhodo brush and then just kind of blend everything more. This one is the shade that people were saying it would come broken in the mail. I think this is online only, and I was only able to get it online at Sephora. And yeah, when it first came, everything was intact, and it didn't break for me, so that's good. Oh dear. Yep. And I just apply it literally everywhere on my lid. And there it goes. Other side. Wow, I think I put a lot. But let's go back with this one to bring back that highlight. Okay, now I think I'm gonna apply some lashes. I haven't applied lashes falsies in a long time, but I'm gonna apply one right now. All right guys, this is how the look turned out. I always hope for the best, and the result is always very pretty, and I'm very happy. This Nars palette is my first palette. I've never owned a Nars palette ever, so I don't have anything to compare it. But for me, I personally love this one because all the colors I would use. My husband is mowing the lawn, so it's very loud. I have... Oh dear. At least my hair looks cute, kind of. Need some dry shampoo though. I never wear anything fancy. I'm just at home. I'm a mom of 3, so yeah, I'm literally wearing a mama bear hoodie. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end this video right here because I don't think it's gonna be quiet anytime soon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look. I will see you guys in my next video, and remember, it's a beautiful and wonderful day. Literally, it's so sunny today, so I'm gonna go outside with the kids. Doo-doo.